So there are some effects of impurities on the melting and boiling point of pure substances. So do you know what is the effect of impurities on the boiling point?
Effect of impurity on the boiling point.
Yes. There are two type of effects that we can understand, that you would say that are done on the boiling point of substances if a substance is impure. For example, if we have water and we have pure water, and in that pure water I have added some of the salt, so the boiling point of the particular substance is going to get increased. The boiling point will rise. For example, if we have boiling point of water that is 100 degrees centigrade, then the boiling point of impure substance, impure like solution of liquid or sea water, will be 104 degrees centigrade. Okay, so boiling point elevates and freezing point of pure solid decreases. Like for pure substance, if it is a liquid, then its boiling point will increase, and if it is a solid, like for example we have ice, okay, and in ice you see in the cold regions where there are icy areas and snow all over, so people used to spread salt over the ice, so that salt decreases the melting point of ice, and ice melts quickly. So for solids the melting point is decreased. The ice, if you would say there is ice that melts at 0 degree centigrade or plus 0, then in the cold regions the melting point of ice decreases to -4, and the boiling point for impure liquid or water will be increased to 104 degree centigrade.
Fertile is the tendency of